Hello, 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 everybody. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So today we're just gonna be doing a flexi rod as said in the thumbnail. So what I started with right now is blown out hair. So it was actually I had a trim, so it was actually stretched out, so wash and set, and at the moment I'm just working with that before trying to get a 2-in-1. It's a week of the blowout and another week of a flexi rod. Why not? So here I'm just sectioning the hair, putting it into 4 different sections, the subsections right now, and as you can see we're using the Dove shaping buttercream, and with the results you'll be able to tell that it worked out awesome. I did the other subsection and now I'm just going to show you what we're going to do. So I applied the product and now I'm brushing it in to saturate the hair. If you see me looking up, just don't bother. I was watching something on the TV. So here we go. I wrap the hair around the rod and then you just go over it all the way up. I'm gonna show you that a couple of times, and then you bend the rod. If you have any hair sticking out, you just apply more product to slick that down, basically, so it doesn't dry sticking out. You want everything curly and beautiful. So we're just gonna see that on slow-mo one more time. I'm applying the product. So don't make the same mistake I made here. You're supposed to apply more product to the ends. And here you go. See, it wasn't sticking to the rod properly because you need more product at the ends so it can stick to the rod properly. So you wrap it down and then you go over the hair a few more times and then you spread your way out to get that seamless bouncy curves. So here we go. I'm struggling to watch that TV. I can't remember the show I was watching. So here I'm just gonna let you guys watch and then I'll be back. Oh, I forgot to mention, I think I had 6 rods in each section. 6 rods in each section. Yep, keep on watching. And here we go. I'm under the hooded dryer. The back of the hair wasn't fully dry because I had an event to run to, so here we go. Took it out Look at how bouncy that hair is. It's bouncy, it looks juicy, even though it's not completely dry. So a cue from here, if you find out your hair is not fully dry, don't separate it too much at the back, right? Wherever it doesn't fully dry, don't separate it too much. Don't try to stretch it out, but you can see the joy. Look at that. Just look at that. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and please share. Give me a thumbs up for more. God bless you. Bye.